Hey guys, welcome to math today. Let's start out by singing a song about the parts of 5. All you'll need for this are your fingers and your voice. 1 and 4 make 5. 3 and 2 make 5. 4 and 1 make 5. Parts of 5. Let's do it a little faster. 2 and 3 make 5. 1 and 4 make 5. 3 and 2 make 5. Parts of 5. Can we do it really fast? 1 and 4 make 5. 3 and 2 make 5. 2 and 3 make 5. Parts of 5. That's too fast. Let's go really slowly. 1 and 4 make 5. 3 and 2 make 5. 4 and 1 make 5. Parts of 5. You can use both hands. You can use just one, because how many fingers do we have on our hands? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, what you're going to need for this, if you'd like to play along with me at home, is yarn or string, a pair of scissors, and some objects to measure. I have some of my favorite knickknacks that I'm going to measure, but you're probably not going to have the same thing that I have at home. So what are some things you could measure? I know. What about a banana? Or a teddy bear? What about a chair or a penny? You can measure so many things as long as you have enough string. And then when we're done measuring, I'll tell you about an art project that you could think about doing with your leftover string so we don't have to do any waste. So my first object that I'm going to be measuring is this. What animal is this? It's a camel, that's right. So let's see just how tall this camel is. So I'm gonna take my string and go side to, wait a second, I said I wanna see how tall the camel is. What does that mean, how tall the camel is? Oh, it's not horizontal. I have to hold it vertically to measure. I'm going to go all the way up to the tip of the camel's ear, pinch, and then, being very careful of my fingers, snip, snip. Now I have a piece of string that is the same as the height of the camel. It's exactly the same. It's just as tall as this camel. Bye, camel. Thanks for letting us measure you. Next, I have a beautiful unicorn. She's so lovely. Let's measure this unicorn. I want to see how long she is. So I'm going to go all the way from her back, all the way to the tip of her front hoof. And I'm going to pinch with my fingers and very carefully snip, snip. And I should have a piece of string that is the same as this unicorn. Just as long as this unicorn, the same exact size. Next, I'm going to measure this banana. I'm going to see how long it is. So I'm going to take my string, bring it all along my banana, pinch, and snip. Now my string is the same as the banana. So after we're done measuring, you guys can take your strings of varying lengths, different sizes, and let's think about what we could do with some different length strings. Maybe we could glue them to a piece of paper. You can use them to make letters. You can use them to make artwork. You can make abstract art. You can make maybe a face and then draw on the inside. You can just pretend they're worms that wiggle around. Maybe you can put beads on them and string beads on your string. I'm excited to see what you guys are. Now it's your turn. You can play along at home with string and scissors, or you can play the super cool dinosaur game that we're going to link you to. It's just the same. You measure, you count, and it's a ton of fun.